Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. I think this is the first time I'm uploading a video on a private company which has expertise in manufacturing the aerostructures, the avionic components, aero engine components, antenna and missile components, and also sub assemblies for defense. The company which I'm talking about here is Raghuvamsi, which is situated in Hyderabad, and they are specialized in exporting the critical components to the United States, United Kingdom, Europe, and Singapore. The reason why I'm talking about Raghuvamsi is due to their success in winning a contract from Boeing to manufacture and supply the precision components. In order to manufacture these components, a facility dedicated to Boeing's requirement is being set up in Hyderabad. This is indeed a good news for the entire Telangana, since due to this contract, it would give employment to more than 300 people over the next 3 years. The facility, which will be commissioned next month, will see an initial investment of 15 million US dollar, which is over 110 crores in Indian rupees. Raghuvamsi manufactures highly critical parts and sub-assemblies for commercial aeroplanes, defense, and space systems for international and domestic original equipment manufacturers. As one of the top Indian exporters in aerospace and defense, the company has 4 manufacturing units across Hyderabad and joint ventures with international companies which focuses on multiple technologies of CNC manufacturing, sheet metal fabrication, composites, fasteners, gears, and engineering services. To mention a few domestic companies to which Raghuvamsi has been supplying are DRDO, the Bharat Dynamics Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and ISRO. If we pick international companies, it is GE Aviation, Honeywell, Rolls-Royce, and Collins Aerospace to name a few. It's good to know that there are many companies in India which are helping India's Atmanirbhar Bharat vision, and let's expect many more companies to contribute in a similar manner and boost India's capability to manufacture defense products. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.